Okay, good morning, all of you. This is the part 10 of chemical coordination and integration. In this part 10, we will focus on pineal gland, or pineal gland. Pineal gland is also called as epiphysis cerebri. Okay, next one, hypophysis means pituitary gland. This is epiphyseal cerebri. And where is it? Where is hypothalamus gland? Where is pituitary gland? Where is pineal gland? You have to study in a comparative way. Okay, where is the hypothalamus gland? Hypothalamus is present on the ventral side of the diencephalon. Where is the pituitary gland? It is present on the ventral side of the hypothalamus. Where is this gland? It is present on the dorsal part of the diencephalon. Okay, dorsal part of the diencephalon. Diencephalon consists of three parts. I told you that one: thalamus, epithalamus, hypothalamus together form diencephalon. Diencephalon is a part of the forebrain. Forebrain is a part of the brain. Okay, what is the origin? Ectodermal. Pituitary gland ectodermal in origin. Okay, because it is present in the brain. Hypothalamus is also present in brain. Ectodermal. Brain is ectodermal. Spinal cord is ectodermal. Nervous system, entire nervous system is ectodermal in origin, except microglial cells which are mesodermal in origin. Ectodermals. Okay, since brain is ectodermal, it is also ectodermal. Melatonin. It secretes a hormone called melatonin. Okay, now let us talk about melatonin. It is made up of a tryptophan. Okay, amino acid called tryptophan. Okay, it is made up of a amino acid called tryptophan. Earlier you learnt amine hormones. Amine hormones. Can you tell me some amine hormones? Can you remember amine hormones? I covered in the first part. And the second part, amine hormones are catecholamines. Catecholamines. Students, okay, pay attention here. Okay, this is the notes you are preparing. When you are preparing this note, some of the points you already know. Okay, this is the time. Okay, this is the time for your last preparation. Okay, what you have to understand here, what you have to know, what you know, what you do not know. You have to know what you know, what you do not know. మీకేం తెలుసో ఏమి తెలియదో అది చూడాలి. For example, if you prepare this lesson today, after 1 week or after 3 days, and keep one book in handy, ఒక మీ పక్కన ఒక చిన్న బుక్ పెట్టుకొని, ఇది ఫైనల్ ప్రిపరేషన్ కాబట్టి ఒక బుక్ పెట్టుకొని ఒక్కొక్క మీ బ్రెయిన్లో అంతా రివైజ్ చేసుకోండి. రివైజ్ చేసుకునేటప్పుడు ఏ పాయింట్స్ మీకు, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇఫ్ యూ హైపోథాలమస్లో ఏ పాయింట్ మీకు గుర్తులేదు, అసలు కొత్త పాయింట్ ఏంటి, you have to identify those points. You no need to read again and again all the points that you know. Okay, you have to know what you do not know. మీకు ఏ తెలియాలంటే అది మీరు ఒక నోట్స్ పెట్టుకొని హైపోథాలమస్ మొత్తం గురించి మీ బ్రెయిన్లో రివైజ్ చేసుకొని ఆ బ్రెయిన్లోకి ఏ పాయింట్ రాలేదు, ఓకే, దట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు నోట్ డౌన్. ఎగ్జామ్కి వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు కూడా ఆ పాయింట్స్ చూసుకుంటే సరిపోతుంది. మిగతా పాయింట్స్ అన్ని అదర్ పాయింట్స్ యూ నో. ఓకే, మీకు తెలిసినవి బ్రెయిన్లోనే ఉంటాయి, మీకు తెలియని ఏంటి, వాట్ యూ డు నాట్ నో యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఐడెంటిఫై. ఓకే, డోంట్ రీడ్ ద, okay, you have to read, don't read to, okay, you do not have to read the entire syllabus. Okay, because bits are they are giving from some important areas. You have to concentrate more. Nearly 30 bits come from those important areas only. ECG, okay, tidal volume, respiratory volume, menstrual cycle, next one contraceptive devices. Okay, from these are the areas we get big bits frequently. If you analyze nearly, you get 50 topics around like that. From these 50 topics you have to be very perfect. Nearly you get 30 bits from those 50 topics. Okay, like let us see now. Okay, earlier you learned amine hormones. Amine hormones are catecholamine, that means epinephrine, norepinephrine, and also I told you T3 and T4 also amine hormone. These all are formed from, they are from tyrosine. Tyrosine is one of the non-essential amino acid. But unlike these four, these are amino hormone. This is also amino hormone, but it is formed from fan. Which fan? Tryptophan. What is this fan? Tryptophan. Melatonin is a amino hormone, but these all amino hormones are formed from tyrosine, but its origin is different. It is formed from tryptophan. Tryptophan is one of the essential amino acid, I think. Okay, you might have learned in chemistry, histidine, isoleucine, leucine, lysine, methionine, threonine, tryptophan. Okay, tryptophan, these all are essential amino acid, and phenylalanine also. Histidine, isoleucine, leucine, lysine, methionine, phenylalanine, threonine, tryptophan, valine. Okay, these are essential amino acid. This is one of the essential amino acid, tryptophan. It is antagonistic to MSH. Okay, melanocyte stimulating hormone ki the opposite. Okay, earlier you learned insulin and what is another one? Glucagon are antagonistic. Next one, calcitonin, thyrocalcitonin, and PDH, parathyroid hormone are antagonistic. And MSH, and what is this one? Okay, melatonin. These are all antagonistic. ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఒక మ్యాచింగ్లో అడగడానికి ఛాన్సెస్ ఎక్కువ ఉన్నాయి, అడిగారు కూడా మాక్ టెస్ట్ పేపర్స్లో. Acts on suprachiasmatic center. It is antagonistic to MSH. It acts on suprachiasmatic center. ఓకే, suprachiasmatic center. కయాస్మా అంటే ఆప్టిక్ కయాస్మా అని ఉంటుంది, దానికి పైన ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి suprachiasmatic center. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వాట్ ఆర్ ద ఫంక్షన్స్ హియర్? లెట్ us see here. It regulates the biological clock. ఓకే, ఇట్ రెగ్యులేట్స్ ద బయలాజికల్ క్లాక్. మీరు రోజు కొంతమంది 8 దాకా నిద్రపోతుంటారు, కొంతమంది 9 వరకు నిద్రపోతుంటారు. ఓకే, రోజు ఆ 8 లేదా 7 లేదా 6 లేదా 4 o'clock ఓకే నిద్ర లేస్తూ ఉంటారు. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ హూ ఈజ్ సెట్టింగ్ యువర్ బయలాజికల్ క్లాక్? ఇట్ రెగ్యులేట్ అండ్ సెట్ యువర్ బయలాజికల్ క్లాక్ and regulate circadian rhythm, 24-hour cycle, circadian rhythms, which repeat sleep wake cycle is one of the example for circadian rhythm. Circannular rhythms which repeat in 1 year, circannular. And regulate the sleep wake cycle, sleep wake cycle. Every day we go to sleep, we wake, again we sleep, we wake, it goes on. Okay, next one, menstrual cycle. Okay, this menstrual cycle, another cycle here, sleep wake cycle, menstrual cycle. And regulate pigmentation also, okay. Next one, metabolism and temperature and defense. For example, okay, there is one person, one man who is working in Indian military, and he is working in okay, very low temperatures, rise of temperature here. He is involved in defense, Indian Army lo panchestunnadu. He is working in Indian Army, and he is military lo metabolism. One man, okay, he is rise of body temperature. His body temperature has raised because he has seen the terrorist, and every day he goes to sleep and he wakes up. Like that, you can remember these all hormones. Okay, biological clock, which clock? Biological clock. Circadian rhythm, which rhythm? Circadian rhythm, which cycle? Cycle. Sleep wake cycle, menstrual cycle. That man is working in, okay, working in military, metabolism. His body temperature has raised, he got fever, like that. And next one, he is working in Indian defense, he is involved in defense, it is involved in defense mechanism.